Welcome to our tutorial on how to start your own YouTube channel and monetize it. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a successful channel and share strategies to monetize your content effectively. Whether you're a beginner or already have some experience, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your channel purpose. Before you start, it's vital to define your channel's purpose. Determine what you are passionate about, what your target audience will be, and what unique value you can offer. Having a clear purpose will help you curate content and attract the right viewers. Step 2. Plan your content. Effective planning is essential to succeed on YouTube. Brainstorm ideas, create a content calendar, and outline topics you want to cover. Ensure your content is engaging, informative, and aligns with your channel's purpose. Consistency plays a crucial role, so aim for a regular upload schedule. Step 3. Set up your channel. To launch your YouTube channel, you need to set up an account. Sign in with your Google account and click on Create a Channel. Personalize your channel by adding an attractive banner, an eye-catching profile picture, and an engaging channel trailer that showcases what your viewers can expect. Step 4. Create high-quality content. Invest in high-quality equipment, such as a good camera, microphone, and video editing software, to produce professional-looking videos. Remember, content is king, so focus on delivering value to your viewers. Enhance your videos with engaging visuals, clear audio, and concise editing. Step 5. Optimize your videos for discovery. To maximize your visibility on YouTube, optimize your videos for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, tags, and video transcripts. Craft compelling thumbnails and use an attention-grabbing first few seconds to captivate viewers. Engage with your audience through comments and build a loyal subscriber base. Step 6. Monetization strategies. Once your channel gains traction, you can start monetizing your content. Join the YouTube Partner Program and meet the eligibility requirements, including having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Explore additional monetization options like brand partnerships, merchandise, or crowdfunding to diversify your income streams. Step 7. Engage and grow your audience. To build a successful YouTube channel, engage with your viewers and nurture your community. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and collaborate with other content creators. Share your videos on social media platforms and embed them on your website or blog. Networking and promotion are key to growing your audience. Step 8. Analyze and adapt. Regularly analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Understand your audience demographics, watch time, and engagement metrics. Learn from your successes and failures, adapt your content strategy accordingly, and consistently improve to meet your viewers' expectations. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to start your own YouTube channel and monetize it. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and dedication. Stay consistent, create valuable content, engage with your audience, and never stop learning. Best of luck on your YouTube journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.